Hello everybody, Jean back with a quick 3i Atlas update. I'll be showing you what I consider to be one of the best photographs taken of this object to date. I'll include the link to this page in the video description. So Satoru Murata photographed this object about 23 hours ago. So subframes, 24 times 60 second exposures. 2025 11/16. So there's the original photograph downloaded from his Facebook. So all credit to Satoru Murata for this photograph. So it still has this greenish blue tint and it looks to be largely intact. It doesn't look as if it's broken up. It has the anti-tails. The sun is located to the bottom left of this photograph, and then the huge jets that we saw a couple of days ago. The longer one is a little better defined and it's narrower, but yeah, check that out folks. Let's take a closer look. As I say, it looks like it's still intact. Some speculated that it might have broken up when it passed closest to the sun. There's the anti-tails and those huge jets spewing this exhaust-like material out into space. So although NASA indicated they'll be releasing HiRISE photographs taken of 3i Atlas, the homepage hasn't been updated yet. Let's have a look at the catalog. And as you can see, the last photographs were uploaded on the 5th of November 2025. And over on the updates page, no 3i Atlas photograph or data. Stay tuned for further 3i Atlas updates. If any significant news breaks, I'll be sure to publish a video right here over on my YouTube channel. As always, thanks for watching.